Upper Highlands as well, but all Papua New Guineans can be assured that the next time someone is planning an event like this, we are ready. Are we doing those kinds of things? Is the government, the independent state of Papua New Guinea, doing those kinds of things? If not, then why not? And the other question should be, when? When am time by me making? It's one thing for us to come and stand here and say, oh look, people are making desla. That's not good enough. Leaders, it's just not good enough. If we need to amend the budget, then Treasurer, you kiss him come the floor, you may amend him, put him 700 million or 800 million or whatever it takes to protect our people. What is so hard about that? Yeah. What is so hard about that? You mean online the passing budget, you may stop, yeah? If we need to bring specialists from overseas, well, why aren't we doing that? Why aren't we doing that? That's what a government does. It responds immediately. When are we going to take the guns off these terrorists operating in the Upper Highlands? When? When are we going to develop the capability? If we need to send 1,000 troops up there to deal with them and deal with them hard, then why not? Is that not the price we should be willing to pay to protect innocent lives of women and children? We are a government, for goodness sake. Let's act like one. Why are we protecting? Why are we not interested in prosecuting these terrorists with extreme prejudice? Other countries do it. Other countries are working here. Every state reserves the right to the use of force in the protection of its citizens. It is an inherent right of every nation. Why isn't Papua New Guinea using that right? Why not? Leaders, gentlemen, ladies, why aren't we using it? We need a strong deterrent. We need a strong response. We need our intelligence capabilities built immediately so that we can assure not just the people of Wabanamanda and Enga and Hela and Southern Highlands, but all Papua New Guineans, that this state is capable of protecting their security and safety. We must. Otherwise, our legitimacy as a government has to be questioned. Investors are leaving because they think we can't run our own country. And what have we done to demonstrate that we can? We can't protect our own people. We can't. That's what Wabanamanda is telling us. And it's no laughing matter, leaders of this honorable house. We need to get the guns, we need to get the ammunition, and we need to do that immediately.